Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. And in this video, we are going to be talking about the market update, talking about what I'm expecting from the market, talking about what you should expect also, whether we are going up higher or we are actually going back to 50,000 or 70,000. Let's check it out in this video. Before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you're watching this video right now, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to also put on the notification. It's very important to put on the notification so as to get notified when a new content is uploaded. Smash the like button also. We also we have a Telegram group where I share my trading setup, my trading signals, everything. You can go ahead and join our Telegram group also. The link is in the description of this video. So let's get started. Bitcoin tap into this region, which I was expecting, which I made a nice long from around 91 to. Yeah, the I shared the trading setup in my Telegram group. If you join the link in the Telegram group right now, you're going to see my trading setup before it pumped, and even when it was moving, how I drop, how people can jump in along the way. And currently, I made about 170% profit. You can see the proof in the Telegram group also. So, but however, we are just here to make money. So let's continue. So I was expecting this area. I made a video back then about the end of bull market, which if you read the content, if you did not just check the title, but you really check the content, I was talking about the drop that might touch 70 something, maybe $70,000. And if it should lose this region and take a bounce off back. But looking at it throughout the festive period, the market tried to head and hold this region. And because if the price should break this region, it means it's not bearish and the price might go further. So the bulls actually protected this region very well. And they came to clear the liquidity, which was below this area, and price tap into here and for a nice bounce up right now. Currently now the market is bullish both on 1 hour and on 4 hour time frame, and even on the daily time frame the market is still bullish. So which is very, very, very strong momentum for the market right now. The next question is, am I expecting more higher highs? Actually, yes, I'm expecting more higher high, because if you look at the last time Bitcoin just broke its uptrend, is all-time high, which is his all-time high, which was around here or something. Sorry, I don't know why this stubborn boy is not going back. Okay, yeah. So when it broke its all-time high, so the market or the price has not really moved that much. So we at least might still see maybe around like 150,000 or $200,000 Bitcoin. But it's not going to just to like jump there right now or something. But let's just talk about the current or the minor region right now. So you can see the price switch structure back up on 4 hour. So which sort of makes sense. If you check the 1 hour region, you can see some areas, I wanted to open another long position. I actually dropped the one that covered this region. So that I dropped in my Telegram group. People took partake and they're in profit right now. But I use a personal one because I had a position that I opened around this region before. So I wanted to add a new one here, but it was unable to tap into my own personal POI. But the one I dropped in the Telegram group, which was this orange, so it tapped into the POI, and price actually made it to $100,000 so far. So, but what am I expecting right now? So I'll just talk about what I'm expecting right now. So if you look at the current trend right now, if you look at it on 4 hour, we have some region here. If you look at it on daily time frame, so it was a nice region. So I see price testing that area, and then probably having a rejection, maybe a proper rejection back to this area on 4 hour, depending on if new range is not created. If new range is not created, price could tap to this 100,000, 101 or 102,000, or this region above, and then maybe you test this place for a proper retest for a 4 hour TF. You look at it with this, which aligns perfectly with the Ichimoku cloud. So which price will actually bounce up from. But like I said, it all depends on where the volume is moving. But the volume is just moving upward. So you might see price. So we might see price, maybe a little pause, tap into here, tap down here, and then push up. So which now, like I said, depends on, and then push up, which now depends on if a new if a new range is not formed around this region yet, but I don't expect a new range to form. And if it's formed, then our analysis might change. But if it's not formed, I will still go around with this region or take up this whole of this region for price to tap into and what and bounce off. So if I'm to long right now, add another long to my position, which I'm looking to add more position to my current position. I will be looking at longing around this region and then put my stop loss a little bit below. But this is a very wide stop loss. I might just screen it down to here and try to reduce my stop loss maybe to around this region. Or use the middle of this. But irrespective, you just have to monitor the price action, monitor how the price is moving, so as you don't get so that your stop loss don't get chopped off. So and if you look at a lot of big news that is happening right now, or in the market because the holiday is over, people have started training back, and you can see some news flying around up and down. But what I'm expecting personally right now from the market to see maybe a little retracement, it tap into this region, or a little bit above spike above, it test back here and then bounce off. Or we can see maybe price consolidating in this region, tap into it, test it, and then go up again. So it all depends. But let me tell you to be fast, I don't think price is coming back here as of now, maybe later on, to come and test this. So because they want it to that once you miss the entry, you miss it. So, but irrespective, let's just see how it goes. But that's my opinion. That's what I'm expecting. So thank you very much. See you very soon. Have a wonderful day. God bless you all. One love.